Hello. In today Mandarin Chinese class, we are going to see some important preposition, question words, time phrases and verbs for a beginner. We will start with the prepositions first. The first preposition is Zai. Zai is at. Zai is at. Zai is at. I just make it a bigger font size, which will be helpful to understand the character lines. Okay, Zai is at. The pronunciation is Zai, Zai, and it is taking a with a falling accent. And the second term is Shia. Shia is under. Xiamian. It is Xiamian is under. And the third word is Shangmian. Shangmian is on. Fourth word Chiamian. It is in front of. And then the fifth word is Li Mia. Li Mia is inside or in. The sixth term is Ho Mia. Ho Mia is behind. These are some important prepositions for a beginner level. Prepositions. So next we are going to see some question words. So once again I'm just pronouncing each and every character and their meaning. Zai. Zai is at or under. Xiamian is under. Shangmian is on. Chiamian in front of. Li Mian inside or in. Ho Mian is behind. Ho Mian is behind. The next phrases is question words. In the question words, so the very important term is, the first term is Shamma. 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 Shamma is what? Shamma is what? Next word is Shai. Shai is who? Vaishamma. Vaishamma is how. And then the fourth word is Shemma Shihao. Shemma Shihao is when. And then the fifth word is Zai Nar. We have already seen the preposition Zai Nar. Zai Nar. Zai Nar. Yes, Zai Nar is where. And then the sixth term is Zai Na Li. Zai Na Li. The Li is also under preposition. We saw the Li preposition, so it is inside. So Zai Na Li is also there. So we are again one more time we are revising. Shemma what, Shay who, Bei Shemma is how, Shemma Shihao is when, Zainar is where, and Zainali is also where. So the third thing is time phrases. The time phrases is also very important for a beginner level. Time phrases. The first word is Mei Tian. Mei Tian. Mei Tian is every day. Mei Tian is every day. Mei Tian every day. Number 2, Jin Tian. Jin Tian is today. Third word is Zo Tian. Zo Tian. There are different Zos, so we have to pick the right Zo. Zo Tian. The third one, Zo Tian. It is Zo Tian is yesterday. The fourth term is Ming Tian. Ming Tian is tomorrow. The fifth term is morning. Morning we call it as Zhao Shang. The Shang is a term we saw in the preposition Zhao Shang. Zhao Shang is morning. The sixth term is Chong Wu. Chong Wu is afternoon. Chong Wu is afternoon. Chong Wu, like it is not, we can't say afternoon. It is Xia Wu is afternoon. Sorry. Chong Wu is noon actually. It is the middle of the day. And then Xia Wu is afternoon. Eighth term is Wan Shang. Wan Shang is evening. And then, so if we want to say usually, that means I want to go with Tong Chang. Tong Chang. Tong Chang. Tong chang. Tong chang is usually, but 10th time phrase I just want to say often or frequently, which is called jing chang. So the chang is always, it comes with the time phrases like that. We have to remember jing chang is often or frequently. Also we can take the meaning. And the 11th term is song shi. The shi is a verb only actually, but when the shi joins with song, it becomes always. And the 12th term is yoshi ho. Yoshi ho is sometimes. As a revision, now we are seeing the time phrases. Mei Tian is every day. Jin Tian today. Zhou Tian yesterday. Ming Tian is tomorrow. Zhao Shang is morning. Chong Wu is noon. Xia Wu is afternoon. Wan Shang is evening. Tong Chang is usually. Jing Chang is often or frequently. Song shi is always. Yo shi ho is sometimes. So we have seen the time phrases, and we are going to see the important verbs. The important verbs we use for the beginner level Mandarin Chinese. Okay, verbs. So the verbs, the important verbs we always have, even if the zai is also used as a preposition and also a verb also. So zai is, we can say, to be located at. It is always used, comes in the phrases of zai, nali, like that, to be located at. And then the second word is tau. Tau is to arrive at. The third term is to go. Chu is to go. Chu. Ni shema chu nali, where do you go? Like that we can ask. And then the fourth is to come. To come is lai. To come. And then the fifth term is the important term. We can say to have, or for that yo is to have. The sixth term is to give. To give is gay is to give. The seventh important word is Can is to see. The next is Shi Huan, to like something. Shi Huan. Shi Huan, to like. And then the ninth term is Zo. This Zo is different. Here we have to pick the second Zo. Zo is to do. The 10th term is Shuo. Shuo is to speak. And then Xiang. Xiang is to think. Xiang is to think. The other important verb is Shui Shi. Shui Shi is to study. Is to study. So here we are going to revise it. Zai, to be located at. Zai, to be located at. Tao, to arrive at. Chu, to go. Lai, to come. Yo, to have. Gei, to give. Kan, to see. Shi Huan, to like. Zo, to do. Shuo, to speak. Xiang, to think. Shui Shi, to study. That's all. We will see other important phrases in the next lecture. Thank you.